Hey guys, we're having a log raising and y'all are invited. On April 11th at our national headquarters in Moss, Tennessee, we're putting together a special event called a log raising. We want to bring you in and show you how the process works with building a log home. We will have our entire staff on site, from our designers to our sales personnel, as well as our construction team. We will start at the subfloor. We will stack logs. We will install ceiling beams, and we'll finish with a heavy timber roof, showing you each process, and you'll be able to ask detailed questions about how that process works or the construction techniques that we use. At the end of the day, we'll take you on a tour at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility to show you the logs, the dry killing process, as well as the notching process. And then we'll come back and we'll finish with a free lunch to end the day. Again, April 11th, national headquarters in Moss, Tennessee. Please RSVP now. Hope to see you there.